and I will strike down upon thee with great vengeance and furious anger those who attempt to poison and destroy my truck. And you will know my name is the Lord, when I lay my vengeance upon you.
If I drink a whole bottle, I got something to piss in. Drunk driving full throttle on the track, no collisions. Listen, fuck shitting, I'll throw up then piss in your rhythm and give you repeated additions. I'm a chainsaw, a motherfucking chainsaw, a motherfucking chainsaw. I'm a chainsaw. Till the numbers add up and we complete this addition. Till my hunger lamps up and turns leaps on decisions. They want distracts to figure the ill nigga. That last bit of coke, a H for dope snippers. I'm a chainsaw, a motherfucking chainsaw, a motherfucking chainsaw. Fuck it, I'm a chainsaw. Perception is realism to most of us all, so I'm still smacking niggas with mummified gorilla palms. Inside joke for the motherfucking Vietnam. And if you don't get it, then you must not be Viet Cong. Chainsaw, I'm a motherfucking chainsaw. Yeah, a motherfucking chainsaw. Man, fuck it, I'm a chainsaw. Chainsaw. Master of ceremonies, the crowd controller, killing beats with no mercy. Dirty face of a soldier, gone rogue like a loser. Successfully punch a hole through you, then pull my track right back through you. I'm a chainsaw. Chainsaw. Yeah, a motherfucking chainsaw. A motherfucking chainsaw. I'm a chainsaw. I'ma bring him war, yeah, war in the spirit. Like you looking at fucking Raw in the mirror, Never fearless, but I got God on my side. Since I said that, I guess you won't hear this rhyme. Use a chainsaw, a motherfucking chainsaw, a motherfucking chainsaw. Yeah, I said it, chainsaw. Use a chainsaw.